Good morning, guys. So my camera stopped working and I have a Vantop. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Of course, be careful doing it. Alright, so I already noticing that this battery looks bad. I don't think it's supposed to be this squishy. So let me go get a spare one and see what that one looks like. Alright, so I got a spare one and let's compare them. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is the bad one. So I'm gonna have to unsolder this and solder a new one in, and then we'll see what happens after that. We'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so I put new battery. I have everything hooked up. Let's plug in outlet.
Welcome to Vantop.
Voila. That's all it was just battery. Here's the front, here's the back. This is just the back, both of them. Sweet, that's all it was, just a battery. Alright, thank you for watching and have a good day.